Before we start the lesson, let's all pray.
Fania, I will ask you later ya. Nanti Misti akan apa namanya? It's okay, Misti akan ask you when you lead the pray, okay? No?
Yeah.
Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class. Are you ready to study?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, ready to study. Okay,
Ready, Miss.
good. I hope you all have a good spirit and become enthusiastic. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to turn on the camera, please. Samrina, where are you? Are you there? Samrina, have you? Okay, and Infik Hot Egg. Who is it? Infik Hot Egg. Who is it? Infik Hot Egg. Okay, welcome to Asmi. Who are you, Asmi? Who are you, Asmi? Hello. Don't forget to unmute ya when you want to answer. Are you ready to study, Asmi? Ya, oke, good. Kurang semangat tapi kurang bergaya. Oke, ya. Umu, Winaeka, don't forget to turn on the camera karena di Miss Tia itu kameranya belum kelihatan. Habel juga kameranya. Can you explain why you can turn on the camera, Habel? Habel, okay.
Not taking the shower, Miss.
Oh, you are taking the shower. You still have a shower? Oh, you still have a shower, but you are in bathroom dong berarti ya. It's okay. Are you ready, Habel? Habel?
I'm ready, Miss.
Okay. Siti
I'm ready,
Hasana,
Miss.
why you didn't turn on the camera, Siti? Why you don't turn on the camera? Okay. Ya, jadi kameranya diharapkan turn on ya selama pembelajaran, jadi tidak boleh ada yang turn off. Nanti kalau ada yang turn out pasti Miss Tia tanya atau Miss Tia tanyakan ya pokoknya. Jadi oke. Nah, oke. Sekali lagi, once again, are you ready to study?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, finish. Okay. Next, Miss Tia, I want to check the attendance. Anyone who hasn't filled out the attendance that I gave to you in the classroom, please fill out. Okay, who hasn't filled out the attendance, please fill out. Okay, I will count the student in here. How many student in here? Okay, how many student? How many participant attend in this class? Can you
20,
see?
Miss.
Okay, 20. Yeah, 20. 20 from 27 participant and then 7 absent. It's okay. It is. I think it is good enough. Okay, next. I want one of you. Would you mind to lead the prayer? Who ready to lead the prayer? Mania, maybe you can lead the prayer, please.
Yes, Miss. Before we start our lesson, let's pray. Praying start. Finish.
Okay. Next, yeah, last week, okay, we have learned about describing animal text, yeah, and today we are going to learn about the new material. The material is about the traveling. It is related to the traveling, related to the trip, and I want to ask some of you, what is traveling? Maybe Rizky Febrian, do you know what is traveling? You can explain it.
Traveling is
It's okay. With your own word in Indonesia is okay. What is traveling?
traveling.
Ya, pakai bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa, Miss.
It's okay in Indonesia. Travel.
Dan,
What is this?
jalan-jalan yang sudah di
Oke, jalan-jalan. Oke. Anyone else know what is traveling? Siapa lagi yang bisa mendeskripsikan what is traveling?
Rencana perjalanan.
Apa Kinanti?
Rencana perjalanan.
Iya, traveling adalah rencana perjalanan. Oke. Ya, today we are going to learn about itinerary. Today we are going to learn about itinerary. What is itinerary? Itinerary is tadi yang seperti Kinanti bilang, itinerary is a scheduled trip. Ya, kalau bahasa Indonesianya adalah rencana perjalanan. Now, before we go to the main activity, I will give you a test ya, to know your background knowledge. Miss Tia akan memberikan tes untuk mengetahui pengetahuan kamu about itinerary ya. This is about the games is about the test is the games. The game is about throwing the ball. You pass the ball to your friend. Kamu melempar bola ke teman kamu, and then don't forget when you throw the ball to your friend, call your friend name ya. Jangan lupa panggil nama teman kamu ya. Ya, oke. Ya. Kira-kira apa sih Miss permainannya? It is about related to the itinerary. You can mention one word, two word, yeah, related to the traveling, related to the trip. It can about the place. It can about the transportation. It can about the food, ya. Misalnya, for example, like this. I hold the ball and then I throw. Halimatus, catch the ball, and then you catch it. Halimatus.
Yes,
Where is
Miss.
your hand? Ya, catch. Where is your hand? Handnya mana? Tangannya mana? Nah, oke. Halimatus, catch the ball. Catch it. And then
Yes, Miss.
mention one word. What is the word? The word that you think in your mind, anything. Bisa tempat, bisa place. It can be place, banyak ya tempat wisata yang kamu tahu, yang kamu pernah pergi. Ya, kira-kira apa yang ada di dalam pikiran kamu? What in your mind? Kira-kira apa, Halimatus? Ayo, sebutkan nama.
Monumen nasional.
Apa?
Monumen nasional.
Monumen nasional. Oke. Hold the ball, please, Halimatus. Hold like this, the ball. And then throw to your friend. Throw to your friend.
Azmi.
Asmi. Catch the ball, Asmi. Mana Asmi? Asmi. Your hand, please. Catch the ball. Your hand. Catch the ball. Okay. Mention one word related to the scheduled trip, related to the traveling. Apa kira-kira? Satu kata aja cepat. Think fast. Berpikir cepat. Bisa. What is it?
Kata apa aja?
Ya, apa aja. Anything. Bisa place, bisa transportation juga bisa. Transportation is okay. Place is okay. Transportation is okay.
Bus.
What is it?
Bus. Bus.
Bus. Yeah, you mentioned about the bus. Okay. Asmi, throw the ball to your friend. Throw the ball. Your hand like this, Asmi, and then call your friend's name.
Eri Danita.
Okay, Erli Danita. Catch it. Catch it, Erli. Erli mana? Erli.
Yes.
Where is Erli? Okay.
Yes.
What is that?
Train.
Train. Okay, good. And then catch it. Throw the ball.
Gibran.
Gibran, where are you, Gibran? Are you there? Gibran,
Oh,
Ellie?
itu Miss.
throw the ball first. Throw the ball. Okay, Gibran, catch it. Gibran, catch it. Gibran, have you catch the ball? Have you catch? Atau terlewat? Okay, Vin. Okay, you got it. And then mention the word related to the travel or related to scheduled trip. What is it?
Luka Rajala.
Ayo Gibran, what is it? Apa yang kamu pikirkan kira-kira apa aja? Apa, Gibran?
Oh, ke teman Miss.
Iya, before you throw the ball to your friend, you have to mention the word related to the scheduled trip.
Raka Miss.
Ya, Raka. Tapi Gibran sebutkan dulu katanya yang berhubungan dengan traveling yang ada di pikiran Gibran. Bisa berhubungan dengan place. It is about the things. It can be about transportation.
Airplane.
Airplane. Okay, good, Gibran. And then mention your friend name, please, and throw the ball, Gibran.
Raka.
Raka. You haven't ready yet. Yeah. You haven't ready yet, Raka. Okay, catch the ball. Okay. Okay, catch. Okay, you got it. You got the ball. Okay.
I got it.
Okay, you got it. Okay.
Museum Bank Indonesia.
Museum Bank Indonesia. Bank Indonesia Museum. Okay, and then throw the ball to another student.
Rizky Febrian.
Rizky Febrian. Ready to catch the ball from Raka. Okay. Have you got the ball? Rizky, have you got the
Yes.
ball? Yes. Okay. Mention one word.
Camera and Hendrik. Camera and
Pardon me?
car.
Car. Okay, the car. Yeah, but the car. And then tu lagi, Raka. Throw the ball to another student. Don't forget to mention the name.
Aditya Yudatama.
Aditya Yudatama. Okay, catch it, Aditya Yudatama. Have you catch the ball? Okay, you got it. Okay. And then mention the word.
Ini bisa tempat traveling juga.
Ya, bisa. It's okay. Anything. Bali. Okay, next. Go to the next students.
Bentar.
You can see in the screen.
Habel.
Habel. On your screen, ya, Habel. Habel, where are you, Habel?
Already, Miss. I'm here.
Okay, turn on the camera, please, Habel. You forget to turn on. Okay. Catch, throw the ball, Adi. Okay. Have you got the ball, Habel?
Yes, got the ball, Miss.
Okay, you got the ball. Okay.
Got the ball, Miss.
Okay. Mention
Got the
one
ball.
word related to the travel.
Papua.
Papua. Okay, good, Habel. Papua. Okay, the last time. Yeah, sekali lagi. Okay, Habel. Throw the ball to another student.
Umu.
Where is Umu? Umu, have you got the ball, Umu? Umu, where is Umu? Ya, Umu kayaknya tidak ada di sini ya, terpental dia. Okay, you can choose another student, Habel, please. Okay. Ayo, Abel.
Erla, Miss.
Erla. Okay. Erla. Okay. Catch the ball. Okay, have you got the ball? Yeah. What is the word? Pardon me? Ya, Ella, mikrofonnya harus didekatkan ya. Back. Oke, good, Ella. Oke, finish. Ya, finish to play the games ya. Tadi Miss Tia tes, berarti kalian di sini yang hasil dari tes tersebut yang Miss Tia lihat kalian lack of the vocabulary about the traveling. Jadi kalian masih kurang ya vocabulary about the traveling. Ya, jadi kita nanti we are going to to learn about the itinerary related to the, to add your vocabulary ya untuk menambah pengetahuan vocabulary kalian. Oke. I will show you the screen. Yeah, okay. Here it is. Oke, sudah? Sudah lihat? Oke. Oke. This one. This slide show. Okay, this one. What do you think when you see the picture? Apa yang kamu pikirkan when you see the picture? Kira-kira. What do you see? What do you think when you see the picture? Ayo apa? Ayo. Ayo guys, you have to be active in here.
Traveling.
Traveling. Oke, good ya. Kali ini kita akan membicarakan traveling ya. Jadi Miss Tia tanya nih kira-kira kalian sudah pernah traveling? Have you ever go to travel? Go travel?
Already, Miss.
Yeah, where is it?
Semarang and Jogja.
Semarang. Okay, and then others? The others? Yang lainnya? Kemana?
Bali, Miss.
Oh, Bali. Ya. Bali, di Bali Raka ngapain aja, Raka?
Liburan, Miss.
Okay, liburan. Okay, you go with the plane or with the car? Or you buy ship or buy ship?
With the car.
Oke, wah, ya menarik sekali ya perjalanannya pasti akan sangat menyenangkan. Who else? Siapa lagi? Siapa lagi? Ya, Aditya. Kemana Aditya?
Ke Bali juga.
Where did you go? Oke, Bali juga. Oke, ya excited ya, exciting ya. Oke, next. Oke, selanjutnya.
Saya, Mas.
Iya, oke, kemana?
Ke Kuala Lumpur.
Ke Kuala Lumpur. Wow, Kuala Lumpur siapa itu tadi? Siapa yang ke Kuala Lumpur? Kusfira ya? Kusfira ya? You are ngapain Kusfira ke Kuala Lumpur?
Kejuaraan taekwondo.
Oh, kejuaraan ya. Kejuaraan apa nih Kusfira?
Taekwondo, Mas.
Taekwondo. Berarti Kusfira kejuaraan taekwondo sering pergi ke luar negeri ya?
Cuman 2 kali Malaysia.
Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, dan kemana?
Paling di dalam Indonesia doang.
Oh, paling di dalam Indonesia ya, oke.
Jogja.
Oke, ya menarik sekali ya. Oke, next. Nah, oke di sini. Oke, yang ini kelihatan? Kelihatan? Kelihatan nggak? Ya, oke. Oke, go ahead. I want Habel, read number 1 and then answer what is it?
Okay, Miss. A. vehicle that has wing and is powered by jets. It's airplane.
Yeah, okay, good. Airplane. And then number 2. Abel, mention your name, friend.
Raka.
Raka, okay, go ahead, Raka. Read number 2 and answer the question.
Number 2,
Mm-mm.
where airplanes land and take off and which is equipped with terminal buildings and hangars.
Yeah, what is that?
Airport.
Okay, good. Airport. And then, okay, Raka, mention your friend's name.
Kusfira, Miss.
Kusfira, okay. Read. Kusfira. Where are you, Kusfira?
Miss.
Okay, go ahead. Read.
Number 3.
Mm-mm.
The bags or cases used to carry belongings when traveling.
Okay, what is it?
Baggage.
Okay, good. Baggage. And then mention another student.
Erla.
Erla. Okay, Erla. Go ahead. Oh, baggage. Yeah, is it true? It is true. Okay. And then Erla. Okay. You should remember.
A place where you and your journey.
Yeah, start from D. Start from D. What is that?
Destination.
Okay, good. Destination. Okay. And then, okay. Good job. This one. Nah, okay. Ella, mention your friend names, please. Halimatus. Okay, go ahead, Halimatus.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay.
A plan or a list of places to be visited on the journey, including the routes, itinerary.
Itinerary. Okay, you all are good. Yeah, good job. Outstanding. Okay, next we go to the next session. Okay, the last is one. Halimatus.
Erli Danita.
Erli Danita, Erli.
A drawing of the picture area, roads and city or country, which such is ready.
Right first. Unmute early. Okay. Yeah, start from M. M. Look at the picture. What is it? From the picture, what is it? What is represented from the picture? Start from M. M. Apa? What is it? Anyone knows? What is the answer?
Map.
Okay, good. Map early. Ya. Itu kan represented by the picture. Ya, but it's okay. It's map. Oke, itu map. Oke, thank you. Nah, itu kalian tadi belajar mengenai vocabulary dalam itinerary. Oke, next. I will show you about what is the itinerary. Miss Tia sebelumnya akan menjelaskan tujuan ya kompetensi dasar ini. Kenapa sih kalian belajar itinerary? Ya, yang pertama adalah the basic competence-nya supaya to analyze the social function, structure, text, and language picture. Ya, related to the itinerary, so you can identify the structure, text, social function, and language picture, procedure, itinerary text, and then you have to analyze, what is the itinerary, and then next, you have to grasp the meaning, grab the meaning context related to the itinerary structure text ya. Jadi di sini hubungannya dengan grab the meaning itu kalian nanti bisa to create ya, bisa membuat itinerary ya, itinerary sendiri perjalanan wisata, but not your own itinerary, but you are going to create itinerary based on the the video that I will give to you ya. Tadi dulu ya. Mesti mau lihat dulu nanti ini. Oke, sudah masuk. Oke. And then next. Ini. Oke, the learning objection ya. Apa sih tujuan pembelajarannya? Apa sih Miss, apa sih tujuan pembelajaran kita belajar itinerary ini? Ya, tadi kata Miss bilang, what is itinerary? Itinerary is a scheduled trip. Nah, Missnya pengen tanya nih, have you ever make a scheduled trip? Kamu pernah nggak buat scheduled trip? You plan the trip, kalian merencanakan trip, or you just go? Atau kamu hanya pergi begitu aja? Nah, Missnya tanya, have you ever planned your trip? Pernah nggak merencanakan?
No, Miss.
Pernah. Siapa yang tadi yang bilang pernah? No. Oh, no, Miss.
I said no.
No. Jadi, you just go, ya. Kamu hanya pergi begitu aja. Nah, sekarang siapa yang tahu? Ya, siapa yang tahu kira-kira kenapa sih kita perlu membuat schedule trip? Kenapa kira-kira di sini? Tujuannya apa kira-kira? Yang pertama sesuai dengan tentu saja supaya wisata kamu intinya ya, supaya kamu bisa wisata kamu bisa menyenangkan. You have fun traveling. Ya, you enjoy your traveling. Ya, tentu saja yang kedua itu tujuan wisata itu membuat schedule wisata itu supaya kamu sesuai dengan budget yang kamu miliki, ya, sesuai dengan kondisi keuangan yang kamu miliki. Dengan budget yang misalnya budget kamu seberapa, nanti kamu membuat wisata perjalanan tempat-tempat yang ingin kamu kunjungi seperti apa, kamu bisa mengunjungi tempat wisata yang ada di daerah tersebut, ya termasuk penginapannya, sesuai dengan budget dan tidak ada tempat yang terlewatkan, yang menyenangkan, yang akhirnya membuat kamu menyesal terlewatkan. Dan kadang-kadang kamu suka ini enggak, wisatanya itu menjadi menjadi kacau. Ya, tidak menyenangkan karena ada hal yang tidak terduga, hal yang tidak menyenangkan tiba-tiba ada terjadi dalam wisatanya karena kamu tidak memiliki planning, ya. Jadi nanti kalau kamu pergi ke kota tua atau ke museum dengan teman kamu, ya diusahakan di planning dulu, ya, mulai dari what is the transportation, ya, apa kalian menggunakan transportasi apa kira-kira. Nanti ya misalnya kalau kalian ke kota wisata, ya nanti kalian tentukan kira-kira nanti kalian mau makan di mana, nanti kalian mau kemana lagi. Nah, itu kan tentu saja akan berhubungan dengan budget yang kalian miliki. Oke, sampai sini paham ya? Oke, I will stop the share screen. Mesti akan stop dulu. And then kalian pay attention ya to the video in here. Related to the itinerary, what is the meaning of itinerary? Okay, nah, when you watch the video, I want you pay attention because in the end of the video, I will give you a question. Ya, kalian harus pay attention karena di akhir video, Miss akan memberikan pertanyaan, ya, related to the video, ya, yang berhubungan dengan video. Ya, so you have to focus. Kamu harus fokus, ya, simak videonya baik-baik. Oke? Sudah terlihat? Have you see?
Udah, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
5.
Let's start.
Itinerary. An itinerary usually contains any information dealing with travel or journey, such as schedule of visit, time, dates, transportation, and other information related to that itinerary.
Okay. Yeah. From the question, I will explain. Yeah. From the video.
An itinerary usually
Okay. Okay. Can you read di sini? Siapa di sini? Ewan Adi Pramono. Turn on the camera, please, Adi. Adi Pramono, turn on the camera, please.
Udah, Miss.
Okay, can you read what is this is about the meaning of itinerary? Pay attention to the meaning. Itinerary. Okay, read Adi.
An itinerary is usually contain any information dealing with travel or journey, such as schedule of visit, time, dates, transportation, and other information.
Okay. Siapa who want to conclude, to make a summary? What is the meaning of itinerary? Raise your hand from the video. Raise your hand up. What is the meaning with your own word dengan kata kalian? Okay, Habel. Okay, go ahead, Abel. What is itinerary? Okay, Habel.
Itinerary is something like you plan your holiday to visit place that you want with family and or friends.
Okay, good. Yeah, itinerary is you plan your holiday. Ya, when you plan your holiday, Abel, ketika kamu plan your holiday, kira-kira apa aja sih yang harus ada dalam planning itu? Kira-kira dalam itinerary itu di situ? It's related, yeah. It is about
Like items to bring to the holiday, like camera, like cell phone.
Okay, good.
Phone charger.
Okay, good.
Some stuff and snacks.
Okay, good. Yeah, the things, yeah. Yeah, the thing you should bought, yeah. And then, what else? Apalagi selain the things yang kalian bawa? About apa? Money. Okay. Jangan lupa you have to make a schedule. That schedule is related with the time, the day, ya. Karena kenapa schedule itu berhubungan related to the time and the day? Itu karena nanti kan kalau liburan itu dicocokkan, dipaskan waktunya dengan waktu luang, ya, dengan waktu luang yang kalian miliki, ya. Karena jadi jangan lupa harus ada schedule-nya, ya. And then apalagi selain ada schedule-nya di situ, ada kan the things, ya, ada thing-nya, ada barang bawaannya, ada schedule-nya, terus apalagi? Apa aja sih yang direncanakan ketika membuat itinerary itu yang harus kamu buat?
Transportation.
Iya, transportation-nya. You have to think about the transportation-nya. Kamu harus harus memikirkan transportation-nya kira-kira mau menggunakan apa, karena pasti nanti berhubungan dengan budget. What else? Apalagi? Fania? What else, Fania? Nah, nanti poin-poin apa aja sih yang harus dalam ada itinerary ketika kamu membuat schedule, pastikan yang pertama harus ada date-nya, ada times-nya, ya. Terus udah gitu ada tadi Raka said the transportation, terus what else? Apalagi seperti membuat schedule mata pelajaran kan, jadi ada apanya. Jadi harus jelas, ya. Kalau dalam itinerary ini ada apanya lagi?
Visit.
Ya, oke. Place to visit, ya. Jadi nanti berhubungan dengan kegiatan kalian. Kalian mau kemana aja. Jadi kalau harus dalam membuat schedule itu harus sangat lengkap ya. Jadi kalian tahu apa yang harus kalian lakukan. Oke. Bentar dulu. Oke, kira-kira masih kelihatan videonya? Videonya share screen-nya masih kelihatan? Anak-anak?
Enggak, Miss.
Masih ya? Oke.
With travel journeys such as schedule of visit, time, dates, transportation, and other information related to that itinerary. A procedure text can take several forms, including but somehow not limited to recipe instructions for how to do, to use, or make something. It can also be found in science experiments, directions. The time we get the explanation or the understanding of how to do something in series or sequence, we still call it as procedure text, but we don't discuss them all in this unit. We just discuss the itinerary itself and science experiments.
Yeah, okay.
About the printed itineraries. So itineraries are divided into two parts, different parts. The first one is the spoken itinerary. Second one is the printed itinerary or the written itinerary.
Okay, based on the video, ya, berdasarkan video, what do you see? The first picture is about you watch the video, ya kan? The first picture about the video that it's spoken itinerary, ya. Kalau video itu berarti spoken itinerary, spoken. Jadi itinerary yang divideokan, ya. Yang kedua adalah yang ini, yang apa dalam bentuk printed itinerary, ya, dalam bentuk tulisan. Jadi itinerary, kamu bisa membuat itinerary itu yang pertama biasa kalau spoken itu biasanya sebelum perjalanan atau sesudah perjalanan atau selama perjalanan kalau spoken itinerary. Kalau kamu buat video perjalanan, spoken itu sebelum itinerary, sebelum perjalanan atau selama perjalanan. Biasanya kalau spoken.
Selama perjalanan.
Iya, selama perjalanan ya kalian merekam kegiatan dari perjalanan wisata kalian. Yang kedua adalah printed itinerary. Nah, kira-kira kalau printed itinerary itu dibuat ya sebelum, before or after the trip? Before. You have to create it before your travel, before you traveling or your journey, ya. Kamu harus membuat ini pasti sebelum perjalanan kamu. Jadi kamu harus buat ya tadi ya. Oke, next.
Plus, when we analyze both forms of spoken and printed itineraries, we found out that there are similarities on important parts. Printed itinerary something.
Oke. Nah, itinerary ini di sini dalam apa aja sih yang ada dalam itinerary? Dalam ada itinerary itu yang pertama apa? Coba silakan dibaca. Bilqis, can you read? Kira-kira yang harus ada dalam itinerary ketika kamu membuat schedule trip about itinerary, kira-kira apa aja yang harus ada di sana? Generic structure-nya. Read from the first.
Yang ada di schedule itu.
Ada? Dibaca itu.
Oh,
this one.
Program.
Ya, oke. What is the tour program? Apa tour program? The activity. Ya, tour program adalah activity, aktivitas. You go to one place to another place. Ya, kamu pergi dari satu tempat ke tempat lain. That is a tour program. Oke, timetable. Yang kedua, Cika, can you read number 2? What is it?
Timetable.
Okay, you know what is timetable?
Waktu.
Okay, good. Cika, timetable itu berhubungan dengan waktu. Bisa apa? Pasti kan ada harinya, days, and then time, ya. Dan then the activity-nya, kegiatannya apa, ya, dan timetable. And then duration. What is duration? Duration, the length of the time, ya, lamanya. Ya, start from day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. How many days? That is duration. Ya, nanti perhatikan, nanti Miss Tia tanya, kalau perlu you have to note it. Ya, kalau perlu kamu catat, karena nanti di akhir in the last session of the video, I will make some question for you, ya, and then you have to answer the question in the chat, ya. And then destination. What is destination in Indonesia? Tadi kan sudah ya. What is that, Tania? Ya, tujuan. Destination adalah tujuan akhir, ya. Dan terakhir adalah for as extraction, accessibility, accommodation, and amenities. Nah, ini ya terkait ke dalam kegiatan itinerary itu harus menarik, aksesnya harus mudah, ya, akomodasinya, ya, terkait dengan hotel, tempat, dengan transportation, ya, seperti itu. Okay, and then go to the next.
Facilities are all found both in the spoken and printed itinerary.
Remember, yeah, you have to remember what is generic structure of itinerary, because I will make some question about this in the last.
Urban itinerary must show simple present tense, uses verb base or infinitive, must have action verb that express something or the person's action.
Okay, this one, when you create the itinerary or when you make a schedule about itinerary, it is your simple present, yeah, simple present. What is simple present? Apa action verbnya? Kata kerja keberapa? Pertama. Misalnya saya pergi ke Ancol, ya, kata pergi ke Ancolnya action verbnya harus simple present tense, ya, tidak boleh past tense. Kalau past tense itu kan dia lalu lampau, dia harus kata kerja pertama. Berarti saya pergi ke Ancol, what is in English saya pergi ke Ancol?
I go to Ancol.
Ya, I go to Ancol. Boleh nggak kita menyebutkan ketika kita bercerita, ketika kita sedang bercerita, tapi pekerjaan itu sudah kita lakukan. Misalnya, I went to Ancol. Bisa nggak kita bilang I went to Ancol? Ketika kita ingin membuat schedule trip itu, kata action verb yang harus kita gunakan harus I went to Ancol. Dalam schedule trip itu I went to Ancol. Terus begitu I played in the beach. Gitu. When itu adalah kata kerja kedua, played itu adalah kata kerja kedua. Bisa tidak kita memakai kata kerja itu? Tidak bisa, ya. Karena kenapa? Itu adalah satu kegiatan, satu action yang sudah kita lakukan. Sedangkan itinerary ini kegiatan yang akan baru kita rencanakan, ya. Jadi harus menggunakan verb 1.
The simple sentence or phrase.
Jadi nanti kamu ketika membuat, when you create the itinerary, action verbnya harus menggunakan kata kerja pertama. Misalnya go, bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Go, bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Halo? Halo? Unmute dulu, ayo. Gibran, go, bahasa Inggrisnya apa, Gibran?
Go.
Go. Ya, bahasa Indonesianya. Pantesan kalian bingung.
Ayo.
Ya?
Ayo.
Iya.
Ayo.
Ya, pergi. Pantasan kalian bingung. Ayo go, bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Ayo go, bahasa Inggris. Ternyata Miss udah menyebutkan bahasa Inggrisnya. Mungkin bisa ngantuk, ya. Pantasan aja. Tolong dikasih tahu. Kalian harus aktif, ya. Misalnya, Miss kan tadi bertanya go bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Yang Miss sebutkan kan udah bahasa Inggris, Miss. Kadang-kadang kenapa? Kadang-kadang mungkin karena Miss yang ngantuk, jadi gitu kan, atau lapar nih ya, belum makan ya, jadi Miss nggak fokus ya, jadi pertanyaan tidak fokus ya. You have to be active ya, kamu harus aktif, tidak apa-apa mengoreksi kesalahan guru ya. Oke. Nah kalau misalnya mengunjungi bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Visit ya. Jadi harus menggunakan action verb.
All of them are called as the language teachers of IELTS or exhibitions. By doing the research,
Ini the social functionnya apa sih? Coba baca. Kalista, can you read? Help me to read the text of in video, please. Kalista. Kalista, can you read the social function of itinerary? Okay, go ahead.
Or travel by doing research for creating an itinerary. You are able to you day to the places.
Okay, udah? Finish? Kalista finish? Oke, jadi fungsi dari itinerary itu fungsinya apa? Yang pertama, supaya kamu bisa well prepare ya, kamu bisa well prepare. Yang kedua, kamu efektif ya, travelnya menjadi efektif dan menjadi guidance ya, menjadi petunjuk supaya wisata kalian menyenangkan. Oke, sekarang kita mesti adakan tes ya. Write down in the chat ya, kamu tulis di chat ya. Tulis, don't forget to write down the name, nama, and then the class underscore, and then the answer. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, ready. Okay, the first question. Itinerary is a scheduled trip. True or false? Okay, go ahead. True or false? Itinerary is scheduled trip. True or false? Okay, finish? Okay, next, number 2. The generic structure of itinerary is tour program, yeah, destination, place to visit, yeah, timetable, and then duration. True or false? Don't forget. Okay, finish? Okay, finish? Answer? Okay, close ya, Mr. Close ya. And then the next question. There is the kind of itinerary. There is 3 kind of itinerary. Spoken itinerary, written itinerary, and listening itinerary. True or false? There are 3 kinds of itinerary. Yeah, there are 3 kinds of itinerary, right? Yeah, written itinerary, spoken itinerary, or listened itinerary. True or false? Finish? Finish? Ya, coba kita lihat di chatnya. Oke, nih Miss Tia tanya. Number one ya, kita jawab ya. Itinerary is scheduled trip. True or false? Itinerary is scheduled trip. True or false? Ayo di unmute ininya.
Oh.
True. Okay. Number 2. What is the question number 2? The generic structure of itinerary tour program, destination, timetable, place to visit. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. There are 3 kinds of itinerary: written, spoken, and listening. True or false?
True.
Oh, false. The answer is false. Cuma ada only 2. Ya, written and spoken. Ya, ditulis dengan dibuat video ya. Jadi cuma ada 2. Jadi jawabannya the last is false. Oke. Ya, udah Miss Tia stop sharing, and then sudah di stop ya share-nya ya. Miss Tia buat sekarang kita akan nah ini. We are going to watch a video. Okay, this one. Miss Tia share lagi. Share yang mana ya? Share video. Where is the video? Tadi dulu ya. Ini I have a trouble with the video when want to share it. Okay, this one. Okay. Sudah? Have you seen? Have you seen the video? Do you see the video?
Yes.
Yeah. Finish ya. Okay, we are going to watch. Yeah, okay. But the video. Kira-kira videonya ini enggak? Sudah play belum?
Belum, Miss.
Belum ya? Enggak. Mana ya videonya? Where is the video? Oke. Oke, sudah? Sudah play videonya? Oke. Oke, finish ya menontonnya. Nah, Miss Tia stop share screen dulu. Oke. Nah, I want to know. Ya, Miss Tia tanya lagi. Ya, kalian jawab lagi. Tapi pertanyaannya langsung open-ended question. The question is open-ended question. You have to answer. Ya, kamu harus menjawab with your own word ya. Kamu harus menjawab dengan kata-kata sendiri berdasarkan dari based on the video. Ya, oke. The first question. Don't forget to write down the name and then the class. Ya, the first question. How many plays? Ya. How many plays? Ya. In video yang dikunjungi, how many plays?
7.
Ya, oke. 8 places. Oke. Yang kedua, pertanyaan yang kedua, oke. Yang pertama, yang kedua, what is the first place?
Gereja Katedral.
Ya, oke. Katedral, Fania. Oke, good. And then? Oke, and then? Oke, number berapa? Sekarang number 3. Oke. What is the symbolism of the statue of Arjuna Wijaya? Masih ingat nggak tuh? Pakai bahasa Indonesia, oke, langsung jawab. What is the symbolism the statue of Arjuna Wijaya? Ayo, no one? Ayo coba dijawab. Kira-kira tadi patung Arjuna Wijaya menggambarkan. Ditulis. Iya, ditulis. Don't forget to write the name, the class, and then you write down. Yeah, you write down on the chat. Okay, and then what else? Oke, bagus Raka. Yang melambangkan 8 filsafat kepemimpinan. Oke, good ya. And then the next question ya. Who is lead the official ceremony National Museum Bank? Who is lead ya official ceremony in National Museum Bank? National Museum Bank. The official ceremony lead by Presiden. Dulu pernah jadi presiden ya. I give you clue. Dulu pernah jadi. Ya, oke, good. Ask me. Oke. And then what else? What else the place? Ya, apalagi tempatnya kira-kira? Mention the X place historical in Jakarta. Monas, and then what else? Museum Fathahillah. Oke, siapa lagi? Oke, good. Museum Bank, oke, good. Next. Ya, oke. Oke, finish ya. Nah, Mister share screen lagi ya. Selanjutnya, Mister akan menjelaskan tentang ini. This one. Worksheet ya. Mister akan menjelaskan tentang worksheet ILKPD. What you should do, apa yang harus kalian lakukan dalam ILKPD ini ya. Yang Mister mau kalian yang pertama adalah di sini nanti kalian masuk link ya ILKPD itinerary. Ya, the first you should do this. You have to pay attention to the question. This one is drop and drag match the sentence with the word given. So what is drop and drag? So you have to drag, yeah, drag like this, yeah. You have to drag the word and then match it with the sentence, yeah. Kira-kira you have to find out which one, ya, yang mana the word is, ya, is it to, ya, is it related to the sentence, kira-kira. Kira-kira pengertian yang mana? What is the budget, ya? Misya kasih clue, ya. What is the budget? Kira-kira yang mana? Match to the sentence, which one? This one? This one, article?
Kalimat ketiga.
Ya, what is the kalimat ketiga? Can you read it?
The bags or cases.
Is used to carry belongings when traveling.
Oke, we put in here, ya. Kalau ini kan di Mistia, ya. Kalau di kalian, kalau jawaban salah nanti kalian ada tanda merahnya, line, red line, ya. If you answer wrong answer, ya, ada red line-nya di sini, ya. And then this one, misalnya for example this one. Nah, nanti kalau misalnya jawabannya salah ada red line-nya, jadi kalian bisa langsung tahu. Nah, yang kedua kalian tadi menonton video, ya, buat video yang tadi, kemudian di sini fill out the infographic below based on the video above, ya. Tadi kira-kira kalian tulis what is the title? My itinerary, you write down the title. For example, what is the title? What is title? Tadi based on the video.
This is historical and favorite Jakarta.
Okay, behind 8 places, ya kan? Ya. Historical and apa tadi? Favorite, ya. Ya. In Jakarta. Okay. And then the next you have to, where is it? Ya, you have to find out one place. Where itu destination-nya. Misalnya kalau misalnya kamu mau ke Bali, ya tempatnya pasti di Bali. Nah, nanti kegiatan di Bali itu apa aja? Place to visit-nya kemana aja? Nah, you have to find out where is it, only one place, ya. And then place to visit, the activity. Place to visit itu aktivitas yang kalian kunjungi, yang tadi dikunjungi itu kemana aja, selama di Jakarta itu kemana aja, dan how itu bagaimana, it is about transportation, ya. When you go to the Museum Jakarta or Museum Fathahillah in Gambir, ya, kira-kira kamu menggunakan transportasi apa? Is it a car, is it train, or is it only on foot? And then when itu talking about the day and the time, ya, you have to answer based on the video, and then who come with me, ya, kira-kira tadi yang based on the video, kira-kira perginya dengan saat apa aja, and my suitcase, what do I need, ya, kira-kira if you go to the museum, ya, kira-kira what is the thing you should bought, kira-kira apa aja yang what the thing you should bring, ya. Kira-kira apa aja yang harus kamu bawa, ya, and then how many times, ya, it is about the length of the time, it is about the duration, kira-kira berapa lamanya, ya. I want you to answer, ya. Miss Tia berikan waktu 7 menit, ya, karena cepat sekali ya ini, ya. Nah ini, oke, go ahead, silakan Miss Tia berikan waktu 7 menit. Nah, sambil dijawab deh, di chat. Langsung ya di worksheet-nya, di live worksheet-nya langsung selama 7 menit. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Ada pertanyaan?
Ngerjain yang ini ya, Mi?
Iya, ngerjain yang ini. Oke, silakan dikerjakan. Kalian sedang mengerjakan ya. Silakan dikerjakan. I will give you time. 7 menit is enough ya. 7 menit cukup ya. Kalau misalnya 5 menit cukup, if 5 minutes is enough, raise your hand up. Tunjuk tangan jika kalian sudah selesai ya. Okay, any question? Jika ada pertanyaan, if you have a question, please just ask it. Ya, silakan tanyain aja. Don't be shy, jangan malu. You have to be active. If you are finished, raise your hand up. And then after you finish, I want you to present. Ya, Miss Tia mau kamu mempresentasikan. Okay, finish. Finish? Not yet? Okay, Aditya Yudatama, have you finished? Done? Aditya Yudatama?
Belum, Miss.
Oh, not yet. Okay. Nanti Miss Tia mau kalian presentasikan ya the result ya of the assignment ya, the resultnya kira-kira Miss Tia mau evaluasi. Any problem? Do you have a problem with the text? Any question?
Kerjanya di chat ya, Miss?
Ngerjakannya di live worksheet. Mengerjakannya in the live worksheet. Kalau yang sudah boleh di chat sambil menunggu yang belum. If you are
Saya kemarin udah, Miss.
Itu belum ya, Aditya. Siapa yang jawab tadi? Oke. Oke, private chat by train, suitcase. Oke, when? Maybe at 6 p.m. Wah, PM. What are they doing at 8 p.m.? Apa yang EM or PM nih, Habel? Maybe at p.m. What are they doing at 8 p.m.? Itu terang atau gelap ya? This dark? Is it dark? 8 p.m. itu apa?
Sorry, Miss, sorry.
Ya, PM itu
I
apa?
mean AM.
Oh, you mean EM. Okay. Where? Okay, good. In Jakarta. And then the place to visit. How about the place to visit? Ya, kalau yang sudah silakan. How about the place to visit? Okay, Cathedral Church, Istiqlal Mosque, Arjuna Wijaya Statue. Okay, the Statue of Reflection. The Statue of Reflection. Okay. Oh, berarti okay. Okay, good. The Statue of Reflection of Nationalism, the Bank Museum of Indonesia. Museum Bank Indonesia, the Fathahillah Museum, Ragusa as Italy, the Rich Indonesian Gallery. Oke. Oke, kalau sudah berarti I want some of you present, ya, present it. Oke. Next. Nah, kita answer together ya. Nah, nanti nilainya sudah kelihatan nggak? Coba Miss Tia lihat nih nilainya ya. Itu langsung ada ya nilainya. Coba Miss Tia share screen dulu. Nih Miss Tia lihat. Take a look at. We're going to take a look at the point that you got. Okay, the notification. Nah, oke, kelihatan? Kelihatan ya? Nah, ini ada yang oke, 100. Oke, ada 100, Kuspira 100, Kinanti 100. Oke, ini ada yang dua nih. Kira-kira what is the problem? Siti Hasanah ada di sini. Coba kita lihat ya. Oh, nih ya kan kelihatan yang salah ya. Tuh, yang salah kelihatan. Tuh ya, yang salah kelihatan. Oke. Nah, oke di sini. Oke. Jadi yang salahnya pada drop and drag. Nih Miss-nya kelihatan. Ini tampilan di Miss-nya ya. Selama ini kalian belum pernah lihat kan tampilan di Miss-nya bagaimana ya? Tampilannya seperti ini. Tuh, oke. Tampilannya seperti ini. Nah, ada yang jawab sick tuh Rana. Kenapa dia only sick? Oh, drop and drag-nya. Oke. Oke, we are going to discuss it ya. Mulai dari drop and drag dulu deh. Kita discuss dulu ya. The worksheet. Nah, karena nilainya sudah muncul ya. Jadi kita let's discuss it. Nah, nilainya sudah muncul, nilainya langsung muncul. Oke. This one. The budget. Which one? With the sentence. Yang mana nih?
Bags or case used to carry along when traveling.
Oke, good. Ya, clue-nya di sini ada tas, ada bag. Ya, clue-nya kalian kalau itu ada bag. Oh, kalau tas kan cuma sini ada picture-nya juga, ada gambarnya. Oke, destination. Which one is
A place where you end your journey.
A place where you end your journey.
Okay, the place when you end your journey. Okay, good. And then itinerary, which one? What is the itinerary?
A plan or list of places to be visited on a journey, including the route.
Okay, good. The airport. Which one? The airport.
A place where airplanes land and take off, which is equipped by terminal.
Oke, tuh. Miss kok nggak bisa kepental? Nah, kemarin ada yang kayak gitu ya. Yang mana nih? Ini ya. Oke. Next. Airplane.
A vehicle that powered by a jet.
Oke, good. Oke. Bentar lagi. Oke, sini. This one. Okay, good. And then this one. We are going to discuss about this. Okay, where is it? Tadi judulnya sudah ya. The title is finished ya. To discuss it. And then where is it? Based on the video.
Jakarta.
Oke, Jakarta. Jawabannya adalah Jakarta. Ya, oke. Gak usah mesti tulis, nggak apa-apa ya kalau banyak ya. And then di sini, place to visit. Kemana ya? The first is to, in English ya.
Cathedral Arch, Istiqlal Masjid.
The first is, bahasa Inggrisnya gereja apa?
Church.
Church. Apa? Jadi katedral. Church. Oke, and then?
Istiqlal Masjid.
Yeah, Istiqlal Mosque. Oke, and then? Apa? Habis Istiqlal Mosque. Arjuna Wijaya apa? Patung apa? Statue. Oke. And then what else? Apa lagi sebutkan?
Bank Indonesia Museum.
Ya, Bank Indonesia Museum. And then next, what else?
Fathahillah Museum.
Okay, go to the Fathahillah Museum. Okay, what else?
Great Indonesian Gallery.
Indonesian Gallery. Ada satu yang kalian belum sebutkan. Ya, ada hologram display. Hologram. The room is full of the hologram display. What is the name of the room?
Transition room.
Okay, good. Transition room. Ada yang the first, the transition room ya, ruang peralihan itu the first is ada hologram display. The room is full of hologram display. And then the second, what is that? The theater room. And then apa yang ada patung-patung yang orang yang lagi bongkar muat, yang lagi bekerja. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa bekerja?
Work.
Ya, kalau orangnya berarti apa? Kalau run bahasa Inggrisnya, bahasa Inggrisnya tuh kan Michelle udah nggak fokus lagi. I'm not focused today. Lari bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Run.
Run. Kalau orangnya, pelarinya apa? Runner. Tambahin IR ya. Kalau berenang bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Swim. Orangnya? Swimmer. Nah, kalau bekerja apa?
Worker.
Orangnya?
Workers.
Bukan worker, sering pakai R. Worker. Ya, jadi the workers itu. Ya, apalagi tadi ada yang buat minuman itu apa? Yang di video, copy as a cell ya. Ada lagi ancient, ada ship replika ya. Apa namanya, kapal replika kuno ya. Ada evolution logo of Bank Indonesia. Oke. Next. Di sini ada who come with me? What is the answer?
Friend.
Okay, with the friend. That's on the video. And then how?
Riding a car and train.
Ya, riding a car ya. Kalau misalnya kalian dari Rawa Bebek, by apa? Bisa kalau ke Museum Fathahillah itu kalian harusnya naik apa? By apa? Bisa
By train.
Dari mana? Trainnya dari mana? Dari Cakung. Kalau busway bisa nggak busway? Naik busway? Bisa. Dari mana? Naik busway-nya, ayo. Iya nggak? Yang suka jalan-jalan pasti tahu deh. Yang suka main. Kalau mau naik busway dari mana? Dari depan wali kota situ. Tahu kan? wali kota yang Al-Azhar, yang seberangnya Al-Azhar, sekolah Al-Azhar. Nah, kalian itu nyampe ke Kampung Melayu. Nanti Kampung Melayu kalian lanjutkan yang transit ke yang ke kota. Cuman 2 kali, bayar cuman sekali, 3.500. Naik busway itu kalian bisa pergi kemana-mana ya. Oke, and then the sweetcast, ya, the sweetcast, my sweetcast. Nah, Miss Tia pengen tanya nih sama Habel. Nah, Habel, kira-kira kalau kamu pergi ke Museum Fathahillah, kira-kira what do I need? Coba open your bag, Habel. Coba kira-kira apa yang akan kamu bawa? Tadi kan Miss Tia suruh prepare ya. Miss Tia suruh minta prepare about what do you need when you want to go to travel, the thing that you bring.
A cell phone, a camera.
Okay, can you
Money to buy a ticket.
Yeah, can you show it? Can you show it the things that you bring? Turn on the camera, please.
I don't have a bag, Miss.
You don't have a bag. Okay, okay, it's okay. Just mention it. Okay, go ahead, Abel.
Yeah. I bring a cell phone, money to buy a ticket for the entrance, and a camera to take a photo. That historical item. I think that's all, Miss.
I think that's all. Okay. Anyone else want to show what is the things in your bag that you bring when you have a travel, go to Museum Fathahillah? Maybe Fania. Fania, yoo-hoo, are you there? Can you mention the things that in your bag when you want to go to Museum Fathahillah? What do you need?
Phone or camera.
Camera or phone. What else?
Money.
Money. What else? Nih, kamera. Biasanya apa? Apalagi? Finish ya. Only, Miss, as long as we have money, a lot of money, we do not need to worry, kata Fania. Jadi selama kita punya uang banyak, jangan khawatir, Miss. We can buy anything. Kita harus bisa beli apapun, ya. Yang penting punya uang. Mau makan, mampir ke restoran mana aja, tinggal itu ya, tidak perlu bawa makanan, kata Fania. Fania only bring 2 things, money and the camera. And ya kan kameranya HP, pasti HP dibawa kemana-mana. Oke. Siapa lagi? Satu lagi. Want to present the thing that you bring in your bag when you want to go to Fathahillah Museum or Jakarta Museum? Okay, I will call the name. Umu mana Umu? Umu? Is it Umu? Umu, are you there, Umu? Or Umu terpental? Samrina deh. Okay, raise your hand up. Chika maybe. Kalista, Wina, Kirana, Siti. Okay. Mention the thing that you bring in your bag, please. Bilkis?
Iya, Miss.
Bilkis? Kusfira?
Iya, Miss.
Okay, go ahead, Kusfira.
I brought a fine stuff, umbrella.
Umbrella. Why you need umbrella?
Okay.
Because it is hot ya, pasti panas ya. So you need umbrella to protect my skin, Miss. Gitu, it's okay. Okay, what else?
Handphone.
Handphone, ya, okay. What else?
Camera and money.
camera and money. Okay, you forget one thing. Umbrella. Umbrella cocoknya dengan apa ini? Apa ini?
Yes.
Ya, tapi glass-nya yang apa? Glassesnya yang apa tapi? Yang hitam ya. Wah, udah mantap. Ya kan kalau pakai payung pasti we have to protect our eyes ya. Kita harus melindungi mata juga dari sinar matahari. Not only the skin, bukan cuma kulit. Oke, good. Oke. Oke, student ya. We are finished to study about itinerary. Now I want one of the student make a summary about itinerary. What is itinerary? Oke, dijawab dulu. What is itinerary?
A plan or list of places to be visited on a journey, including the route.
Oke, ya, itinerary is a plan, scheduled trips or planning trip ya. Di mana ada apanya? Ada visit, place to visit, a time. Ada apanya lagi, duration-nya, ada timetable-nya. Oke. And then kira-kira apa lagi? Generic structure-nya apa lagi? Apa aja? What is the generic structure of itinerary? Kira-kira dalam membuat schedule itu apa aja yang harus kita buat, harus kita sebutkan ketika ingin membuat schedule? Yang pertama apa?
Time program.
Oke.
Program.
Oke,
Time to
program.
visit.
Oke, kegiatannya ya. Untuk program kegiatannya mengunjungi tempat apa aja? And then, apa? Destination ya. Oke, and then what else?
Duration.
Duration. And what else?
Transportation.
Transportation. Oke, good. What? Pardon me? Tadi siapa itu terakhir yang the boys sounds? Misalnya nggak terlalu dengar ya. Oke, the last question. What is the advantage you making a schedule trip or itinerary? Apa sih keuntungan kalian harus membuat schedule trip, itinerary? Apa? Kira-kira? Yang tadi kan sudah mesti ya satu. In Indonesia is okay. Keuntungannya dalam membuat, tujuannya dalam membuat schedule was the aim, the advantage to make itinerary itu apa tujuannya? Number one. Tujuannya supaya apa ya tadi?
Tidak berantakan.
Oke,
Supaya bisa prepare.
Oke, Halimatus good, supaya bisa prepare, supaya tidak berantakan. Apalagi tuh yang berkaitan dengan money. Talking about money. Apa ayo? Supaya apa?
Bisa menyesuaikan budget.
Iya, supaya bisa menyesuaikan dengan budget ya. Nah, yang Mistia tanya adalah setelah kalian tahu ternyata perjalanan itu kalau kita mau jalan-jalan itu rencananya harus dibuat ya. Nah, kira-kira kalian akan melakukan hal itu tidak? Akan membuat tidak untuk kedepannya nih diaplikasikan dalam kehidupan kalian ya, diaplikasikan terutama kalau sama mama sih ikut aja ya, kalau sama mama, kalau sama papa pasti ikut aja, tapi kalau kalian nanti next time ketika nggak pandemik kalian jalan-jalan sama teman-teman ya, boleh nanti ya Mami Setia kita jalan-jalan naik busway ya, naik busway dari kita ke museum-museum keliling-keliling ya, itu ya bakalan menarik sekali ya, menggunakan busway atau menggunakan train. Perginya kita naik busway, pulangnya karena capek pengen tidur kita naik train aja ya. Jadi nah itu harus otomatis kan budgetnya antara budgetnya Erli, budgetnya Aditya, budgetnya Rizky dan budgetnya Misty itu pasti kan berbeda. Tapi ketika kita ingin mengadakan schedule trip, traveling bersama-sama ya dengan berkelompok, jadi harus disesuaikan dengan semua budget ya, otomatis kita harus tahu nih budgetnya kita mau kemana-kemananya. Jangan sampai nanti ada yang gigit jari nggak punya duit gitu ya. Tapi it's okay, yang nggak punya duit pasti nanti banyak yang mentraktir ya. Sampai di sini paham ya anak-anak ya. Kalau nggak pandemik dulu biasanya Mistia suruh anak-anak pergi ya. menggunakan busway di foto biasanya seperti itu kalau nggak pandemik, tapi didampingin oleh orang dewasa ya, ada satu orang dewasa yang mendampingi biasanya. Oke. Nah, untuk pembelajaran selanjutnya Miss akan berbicara tentang song, tentang lagu. Kira-kira kalau Miss pengen nanya, sekarang anak zaman sekarang lagunya apa sih? Yang kalian tahu? Coba. Miss mau ini nih. Survei lagu. Halimatus, apa lagu yang kamu ketahui dari Halimatus?
Genrenya pop, Miss.
Up to you. The genre is up to you. Yang kamu suka ya deh. The song that you like the most, that you. Hah? Apa? Coba tulis di sini. Miss tulis di chat. Kira-kira ayo semuanya tulis di chat. Lagu yang kalian suka, Miss pengen tahu nih lagu kamu itu masih related nggak sih, masih berhubungan nggak sih, atau Miss sudah ketinggalan zaman dengan lagunya Miss Tia? Levitating, apa ya? Itu the title of the song atau the singer? Levitating. The title, okay. Backstreet Boy, Step on My Head. Oh, Habel masih satu sama Miss Tia ya, Backstreet Boy. Oke, what else?
Iya, Miss.
Ya, masih sama. Maxra, Fania. Oh, Maxra. Wah, Miss Tia nggak tahu nih. From a Monster in Paris. Wah, Miss Tia harus cari tahu ya. What else? Apalagi nih? Ini lagu-lagu anak-anak zaman sekarang nih. Kita beda generasi soalnya. Duka. Oke. Maxra, Duka, Seven Rings. Oke, what else? Oke. Killing Me Softly itu lagu zaman dulu ya, Miss Tia tahu tuh kalau Killing Me Softly. Seven Rings Miss Tia nggak tahu. Butter, BTS, Miss Tia tahu BTS, tapi lagu-lagunya nggak. Everglow, To the Bone, Pamungka. Wah, Miss Tia belum tahu ini. What else? Everglow. How Far I Will Go, Aulil. Wah, Disney song. Oke, Miss Tia baru tahu ya. Oke. Melawan Restu Mahalin Nuka. Oke, any else? Ada lagi? Nah, next meeting ya, next meeting we are going to talk about the song ya. Ada yang bisa nyanyi? Miss Tia mau next meeting kalian nyanyi menggunakan aplikasi TikTok ya, related to your favorite song ya, di upload and then give it to me, the link ya. Linknya kasih ke Miss Tia ya. Silakan kalian nyanyikan, yang biasa di kamar mandi ya kalian nyanyikan di TikTok untuk next meeting. Oke. Sampai di sini Miss Tia akhiri. I want one of you lead the prayer. Closing. Maybe siapa? Bilkis, can you help me to lead the prayer?
Tadi gimana, Miss?
Yang ya. Atau Raka deh, lead the prayer, Raka.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, oke, go ahead.
Ngomongnya gimana, Miss?
Ya, yang sama kayak opening. Sama aja kayak opening. Opening and closing sama aja.
Let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Oke, thank you student, thank you semuanya. Oke, bye-bye. See you next. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.